Hey, welcome to Sunday Brunch at ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin. I've got to tell you, 3 days ago it was 73 degrees here. It was beautiful, no wind. This is Sunday. As you can see, we got about an inch overnight. It's currently windy and cold, and actually some snowflakes coming down. So we're gonna cook anyway on the Blackstone as long as it stays lit. We're gonna do today for Sunday brunch today, we are doing Everything Bagels breakfast sandwich. We're gonna smash some sausage down. We've got egg, we got cheese and sliced tomato. And you know, one way to cook in this cold is get everything ready before you come out here in it and just get at it. So I've already got everything prepped. I've had my Blackstone on. I got the temp to smash the burgers or smash the sausage down at about 400 degrees. First thing we're gonna do is get our bagels on there and get those toasted up. So let's just get this going, get out of this cold. Okay, so we're gonna get our bagel bottoms down. They got butter all over them. Got a good amount of butter on them. These are the tops. We're gonna set the tops over here. A little bit cooler here, but it's still nice and warm. Let those cook for a second or two. With the tops is, we're gonna crack our egg, and we're gonna put our egg, whoopsie, we don't want the shell, just the egg, right down in the center. We're gonna fry our egg this way, right in the center of that. And we're gonna move these over a little bit, and I'm gonna dome them to help cook that egg. And actually, I'm also gonna throw a little bit of steam in there. Okay. Okay, we're gonna set our bottoms over here. Quick peek, looks like we're doing okay. A little more water. And we're gonna get our sausage smashed down. In here. Check my eggs. Oh, I did get a shell in there. Get that out of there. Here comes the snow. Swiss cheese on there. American cheese for my wife. There we go. Get some cooking going there. Okay. Put that patty over there. Put this one right on top of that one. Put that right there. Get a couple pieces of tomato on here. Slide these over a little bit, get them over the heat. All right, let's give these a check. All right, looking good. I'm gonna go a little bit longer. If you did this in the oven, you want to go probably 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, I think these are ready. Let's give them a look. Those look about done. Slide this over. Okay. Put this right up on top of here. This one right up on top of here. Okay, there you go. Okay, check that out. Don't these look awesome? Look at those eggs on top. Look at that. Okay, before we cut into this, look at underneath the top bun. It is not burnt, even though it sat there for about 8 minutes cooking. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut into this. Now you can cook it Less time if you want that runny yolk, but I like them like this. Let me just show you what it looks like in the inside. Look at that. That egg is cooked through and through. Look at this picture. Beautiful. Well, let's go taste this thing. Okay, so thanks for coming out for Sunday brunch. We got through some snow, cold, a little bit of wind. It is what it is. Love to cook outside anyway. So spring will be here soon. We had spring, we have winter. We'll probably have spring and probably have winter once again. Anyway, that's my Everything Bagel breakfast sandwich with double sausage, double Swiss cheese, tomato, and egg. Egg poured right in the top. Now you can cook the egg as long as I did, or you can leave it runny. I just want to make sure it was done and not just going all over the place for my taste test. If you leave it runny, you can, if you like dipping your toast in the runny egg, you can do that too. Just don't cook it as long. As you saw, the bottom of this does not get burnt if you leave it over to the side. Make sure you got plenty of butter and keep a dome on it, because if you do this in the oven, you know, you want to, the egg will cook in the oven for, you know, 8 to 10 minutes, something like that. So anyway, let's take a taste of this. What can I say? Besides, this tastes amazing. Look at that. That is a good breakfast bagel sandwich. One last bite. All right. It's cold. I'm gonna get inside, finish this up. Okay, that is my Everything Bagel breakfast sandwich. Don't forget to hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video.